everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Wow, only 5 days till Christmas and here I am in my pyjamas at 7 PM starting my vlog. No, oh my god, at 8 PM starting my vlog. I woke up so late today. I think the tiredness of the past 2 days has literally just caught up with me. I couldn't sleep last night until about, I think 2 o'clock in the morning, and I literally woke up at midday. I never do that. Like, I literally don't do that. My throat really hurt. I just feel like I'm getting a cold. I just feel a little bit run down. So today I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna take it easy, be a bum. I mean, I haven't even showered yet, but don't judge me because I will shower before I go to bed. That's a bit gross. But yeah, literally all I've done today is just edit today's video, be a bit of a bum, watch TV, do a little bit of tidying, made myself some lunch. And now I'm gonna go and cook some dinner because it is 8 o'clock. JASS's flight landed like an hour ago, but he was still on the plane for like 40 minutes. It's really stupid, but somebody was flying a drone over Gatwick Airport and I think it was on the runway today. So they've closed off that whole airport for like the whole day and all their flights are being diverted to Heathrow, which is where JASS flew into, and because of that everything's all delayed. So he did say he'd text me when he's in the taxi, which means he'd be about 40 minutes from home, but he hasn't texted me yet and it's 8 PM. Like, he should actually be getting home at this time. I'm literally just making spaghetti for dinner and it's very simple. I don't know how to pronounce this. Like, in my family, like me and my aunt always call it spaghetti alioli, but it's not how you pronounce it. Like, we know it's wrong, and I saw somebody making this on TV the other day. Like, it was either Jamie Oliver or Gennaro or somebody, and they pronounced it properly and I just forgot. Like, I can't remember, and that's not how you pronounce it, but it's literally just really simple to make. So I'm just gonna go and start prepping for that first. And I've actually bought some fresh spaghetti. I always prefer fresh pasta compared to like the regular stuff, like every now and again, and that literally takes 2 or 3 minutes to boil. So what I think I'll do is prep everything for the sauce and then just make the pasta when JASS gets home, because obviously he'll get home and get changed and stuff like that, and by that time dinner will be ready. So that is the first productive thing I'm doing today. Then I'm going to do a couple of unboxings. So I've had a parcel arrive, my goodie bag that I got from Babbling On yesterday, and my Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar. I hope I don't forget because I think I've only got 2 more boxes to open up, I think. But first, oh, I've got itchy neck. Let's go and make some dinner. So for this, all you need is some garlic, and quite a lot of it. You need some red chilies. I mean, you can use any colour, but I just prefer the red ones, and that's kind of all I have. Do this like depending on how spicy you like your food. You can also like de-seed the chilies or whatever. But yeah, so some chilies, I might use about 4, maybe 5 if I'm... maybe about 5, I'll see. Then you need some cherry or some plum tomatoes. I literally just use like a handful of these, so I'll open it up in a bit, save them from rolling around. Then you need some capers if you like. You don't have to put them in, but I do. And sometimes I put olives in, I can't really remember. These are actually my favourite olives ever. I get them from Aldi. What are they called? Large and juicy Kalamata Greek olives. And out of all the black olives that you can buy in a jar, I just absolutely love Kalamata ones. These are already pitted, which is great, and they're just my favourite black olives. I love black olives, they're my favourite, and these are the best ones. Also, you need some cheese to grate on top. I've got a brand new one and a little bit left in that one. And obviously you'll need some spaghetti. I've just got this fresh one, but you can use, God, can you even see this, like this fresh stuff, or you can just use regular spaghetti. And that is literally all you need. Oh, and some olive oil, salt, pepper, all the rest of it, basil if you have any, oregano, just basically do whatever you want. Here's the terrible lighting in my kitchen, but I've just chopped up the plum tomatoes in half. I probably got a bit too much garlic here. I don't really know what I was thinking. I'd normally use about 2/3 or 3/4 of that, but I mean, let's be honest, has anyone ever said that there's too much garlic in anything? probably not. There's 5 chilies here. I've just drained some capers in a colander, and I've got my olives sort of to hand, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in yet or not, but this is basically all of my prep done. At this point I would normally grate the cheese just so all the prep's done and then make the sauce, but you know, I got my nails done yesterday and I also hate grating cheese anyway. I'm trying to be really careful with these like diamante, just because I know they won't last as long as the rest of my nails. I don't want to ruin them before Christmas, so I may ask JASS to grate the cheese for me when he gets home, depending on how tired he is. If not, I will do it myself right at the end. So let's just make the sauce first. Okay, and that is literally it. It probably took about a minute and a half or so. I put quite a lot of olive oil in, I'd say about 4, maybe 5 tablespoons, because that is the base of the sauce. Then I put the garlic and the chili in, literally had that in there for about 30 seconds before I put the tomatoes and the capers in there. The tomatoes have just softened ever so slightly, as you can see, but they're definitely not squishy. And then I just added some salt and pepper, and that is it. All I'd now do is boil the spaghetti, take a little bit of like the starchy water out of the spaghetti, put it into that, and then drain the spaghetti, add the sauce, grate some cheese, and dinner is ready to be served. So yeah, it's really quick and easy, just the type of cooking that I love. I'm not going to bother with the olives because I think I've got too many other ingredients in there, but yeah, that is it. I'm done pretty much. Oh yeah, he's home.
It was
woohoo!
That person who did the drone in Gatwick is a nightmare because they had a knock-on effect on the Heathrow airport.
I was just telling them about this.
Not good.
It's so late. Do you know what time it is? It's 9:15.
Really?
Okay, while I wait for Just to get ready, let's do this. Oh, look at this Ferrero Rocher little gift box that my friend Het's got me yesterday for Christmas. It's so cute. I never see these like funky shapes in supermarkets, so I have no idea where he got it from, but let's open this up because I think I've got 2 more days remaining, and let's see what's inside. Right, let's perch you down here. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I opened that last time. Let's open this one up. I think this is another face mask, I've just got a feeling. But I'm definitely not complaining actually, because I think this is a really nice way of trying new products out. This is actually the Wonder Glow, but obviously it's packaged a bit differently because it's in this like mini. I already have this and I absolutely love it. I use it as like, not a primer, but a base underneath my foundation. And I just find that it makes my skin look really radiant and glowy. So very happy with this indeed. I love this. In fact, you know what? Because I'm a rebel, I'm going to open up the very last box today as well, because I'll probably forget tomorrow, and I'm leaving on Saturday to go home for Christmas anyway. So let's just open up the last box because this has been dragging on for so long. I swear I started opening this on the 1st of December and now we're here on the 20th, but anyway, let's see what's inside here. This is different. This is the Supermodel Body Visibly Summer Shimmer Shape, Hydrate and Glow. This might be a body moisturiser, which is very interesting. Cheat your way to a supermodel body in a tube. I have to say, this is probably the one that I'm the least excited about out of everything that I've had, just because, meh, it's a body product and, you know, I'm all about the face. But yeah, that's really cool. I will try that out, obviously, and get back to you on what I think of it. I can't believe that's it. That is my whole Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar opened up. I have no idea what to do with this. I'm obviously going to keep it, and I've kept, like, all of the red tissue paper inside. I always think that I'll make an advent calendar next year, but I mean, it's not happened so far. I think I even kept my M&S Beauty one from maybe last year or possibly the year before actually. So I don't know what to do with this. If you have any suggestions, then let me know, but it's far too beautiful just to throw out. So yeah, I'm kind of sad that that's all over. Yeah, so actually thinking about it, I've got quite a few more presents that need wrapping, and really annoyingly I'm only waiting for one more in the post. I think it should have been here today, but I've just tracked the delivery and it says that it'll be here tomorrow, so fingers crossed it actually does arrive. I had some blogger mail come through today and I wanted to actually have a look to see what's inside my goodie bag from babbling on, because I haven't even looked inside it yet, so let me just quickly do that now while Jess is getting ready. Okay, so I've just perched you up on the coffee table, but yesterday when I went to Maidenhead to go and see my friend Chanel, she gave me like a Christmas present and this whole goodie bag full of stuff, so let's go through it and see what's inside. First off, I saw that she gave me a t-shirt, and this is just what all her staff wear in the salon. It says babbling on, so that's really cool. But it's just a white t-shirt with their grey and pink logo on it, so I'll see if that fits. At the salon they also stock Arwa lashes, lashes, and they retail for £11.99. She told me to like pick a set that I like, and it was so overwhelming because all of their lashes look insane. They look really like premium quality, as you can see. So I was like, do you know what, pick your favourites and give them to me. So she picked out the style Habibi. It's probably better if I take this packaging off so you can see properly. There we go. So she picked out the style Habibi for me, and this is what they look like. Don't they just look like they cost way more than like £12? They kind of remind me a bit of the Huda Beauty lashes slash Pinky Goat, like very premium quality. And she also said that our lashes, it's actually a brand owned by Shazia Khan, who's a very well-known makeup artist, and Chanel was saying that this Beauty Blender sponge is actually incredible. So I'm very excited to try this out, because if you saw my what's in my travel makeup bag, you'll have seen the state of my current beauty blenders. So that is very exciting. Next up I have a card. I think this is a Christmas card. Oh, there's a really cute little Christmas card in here. Is it going to focus? Yeah, there you go. Wow, she also got me, oh, these look delicious. She also got me a box of chocolates, these Belgian cognac cocoa dusted truffles. And last but not least, I'm saving the best thing till last because she kind of gave me a sneak peek of this in the salon. They are going to start selling jewellery, and she wears this like incredible ring. If you follow her on Instagram, you'll see it. It's like this big like gemstone, and it looks really, really cool. And she's given me my very own one. Just look at this. This is so nice. Oh my god, and it fits. Oh, I really like this. How pretty is this? I have no idea how much they retail for, but they're like real stones, and this one's ruby. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous, so I'm so pleased with that. Oh, I love it. I love how blingy it is as well. So yeah, thank you so much, Chanel, if you're watching this. I think she does watch, because she was telling me yesterday that she loves my Vlogmas videos, so very happy with that indeed. I'm gonna go and make the pasta, like the spaghetti, for dinner, and obviously then eat, and then I will unbox another parcel that arrived this morning. But yeah, this is so exciting. How's your pasta, Jazz?
Oh my gosh, where's the pasta? All I can see is cheese. Seriously.
I gave you a massive portion because you're hungry.
Wow. I'm sort of hungry, not blooming a week hungry.
That is quite big.
I can't finish that.
Do you know what? I've got quite a big portion as well. But we're going to have dinner, and I'll show you what we're watching. Don't judge us.
Oh yes, with some strong language, they're back together under one roof for one night only. It's Love Island, the Christmas reunion.
Woohoo! Love Island! I missed this the other day because I fell asleep. I'm so excited for this. Do you know what? This blonde girl is the reason why everyone hates on people that watch Love Island. Watch this.
I know that UK stands for United Kingdom. EU. EU. España, maybe?
Oh my god, my mouth is on fire after that pasta. Is yours?
A little bit.
Did you put Tabasco on?
No.
He wanted the Tabasco. Like, you always put chili sauce on without trying stuff. But it's so spicy. We're gonna have some chocolate now. I've got this Reese's chocolate. It's not the best actually. It's not the best. It's not my favourite Reese's. We bought this in Toronto at the duty free, like we crossed the border. But okay, back to Love Island. Oh, Jess is making me a hot chocolate. Okay, while he does that, I'm going to open up this parcel that I got from Pixie this morning. I don't know what's inside because they always just send like a parcel. I think it's once a month, but I'm pretty sure this is my second time opening one up during Vlogmas. Oh right, because the other one was the November one. This is a December one, so let's see what's inside. This looks so nice. Oh god. Do you think I can do this? I'm just trying really hard, like, to be careful with my nails. Let me put you down and see if I can do this. This was such a tight fit in the box. Definitely a two-person job, but let me just have a look. What does it say on here? Skin treats. Yes, I love it when they send skincare. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing. Look what this is, Jazz.
What is it?
It's like a little cotton wool holder. And it's another full-size glow tonic.
Whoa.
Just for reference, this is my current Pixie glow tonic. They sent me a massive one. I'll tell you exactly when they sent it actually, because I posted a picture of it on Instagram, but I'm literally about, I'd say just over halfway through this one, so it's very nice to have a backup because I absolutely love this. The only downside is you can't actually like remove that cotton wool part, so it has to stay stuck to this tray. That's a bit of a shame, but yeah. And as you can tell, I definitely love the Glow Tonic. I wonder if they've changed the formula though, because this one's a lot darker than my current one. However, this just could be because it's been on the windowsill and like due to sunlight. I don't know, but yeah, I'm very happy with that indeed. Right, it is midnight now. I've just showered, cleansed my face. Jess has made me a hot chocolate, which should be drinkable by now. So I'm gonna go and drink that and put on this face mask. I've been talking about doing this for, I don't know, like 3 or 4 days now, and I still haven't done it. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Multi Miracle Glow Cleanser Mask and Balm for Baby Soft Skin. So I'm just gonna apply this and leave it on overnight, and hopefully I wake up with baby soft skin. But yeah, once I've had my hot chocolate, I'm gonna go to bed and have somewhat of an early night. I hope I don't wake up still feeling crappy tomorrow, because it is so close to Christmas. I don't want to be ill, and I have a lot of stuff to do tomorrow as well. So I apologise if this vlog's been a little bit short, but I mean, some days are just boring, and today I just really needed to rest and catch up on a bit of sleep, and hopefully I don't get ill. But I'm going to end this vlog here, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for day 21. Bye.